Hello, mga kabang brands! We will be having this, what do you call this? measure ng ating waistline. Because we will take another challenge, that's 1 minute exercise para magka-abs. Well, hindi. Para bawasan lang yung waistline natin. Just above the bone. The bone? Where's the bone? Ang tambok ko yan! 30. What? 30. Plus times 77. Alright! This exercise, 1 minute. Kinahanglan ka mag-time. 20 seconds. Exhale. So, kinahanglan siya. I-push ang ato nga. Saan pasulod. Okay. Yung ginahimo ko. Relax for 10 seconds, then we exhale again. Release. And last one. Okay, that's 20 seconds. We're done for our day 1. Hey, hello everyone. It's our day 2 and currently I'm drinking my coffee from Ultra Green Company. Yes! Kung gusto nyo na maghulig sa inyo, boost sa inyong immune system, and at the same time, sa inyong metabolism, para biskan ano, takamukbang, tapos na lang kita mag-burn sa fat. Siyempre, kung diet natin, okay na, kailangan i-supplement naman with our exercise. Sa gani, we'll be having this stomach vacuum as our 1 minute exercise for today. Yes, mga quarantine, kita subong-subong iba-iba exercise except for this vacuum. So, exhale kita pag-uunta tanan nga hangin sa aton nga tiyan. Alright. We're done. Rest for 10 seconds and exhale again. Push. Push. Okay. Good. We're done for today. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Day 3. Alright.
The abdominal region is composed of the internal and external muscles. The stomach vacuum exercise targets the internal abdominal muscles, which supports posture and control deep breathing during power movements. By building a stronger inner abdominal wall, you can limit and relieve back pain, create a tighter midsection, and add explosive power to your training.
Yay, we are now on our day 5. Let's begin with our stomach vacuum, okay? Inhale, then out, blow, start, exhale.
I actually don't know what happened, but I accidentally deleted my video yesterday for day 4. Yeah, I had a shoot yesterday for our UGC Premium Coffee Blend, and you could see my photos in my Facebook page. That's Rubeinspired Ilonggo Vlogger. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Inhale, exhale, hold. Thank you for those who have been chatting me, inquiring about our UGC coffee. I just drank daily veggies this morning, and mamayang gabi para magandang ating tulog, I gotta drink this Collagen Plus. Inhale. Ready? Exhale. Hold. Usually they have this for a month. Now, I just had it for 5 days. And other videos na pinanood ko, they had it for 7 days. This should be 7 days. Kaso, bored ang lola nyo kasi wala tayong magawa ngayon kasi quarantine. So, tomorrow, I have to get myself back on track. I have to do some dance with. We're done. Okay. That's it. And now, let's try to measure our waistline, just above the bone. The bone, just above the bone. Okay, that's it. And ta-da! 1 cm in 5 days. Look at that. I think I have to continue this one for the next 7 days. That's another challenge. Yay! Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next fitness challenge. Bye!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimding. Rubeinspired!